Latino civil rights groups are suing York County for language barriers in voting. Fox 43's Paula Belloso has more on the complaint and what local organizations are demanding.
Latino Justice PRLDEF and Dechert LLP filed a complaint in the federal district court on behalf of CASA against the Board of Elections in York County for failing to provide Spanish language materials and assistance to voters as required by the Voting Rights Act.
The portion of the Voting Rights Act that we are filing under is called Section 4E. And as I mentioned, it specifically protects voters who were educated in schools in Puerto Rico where the predominant language in the classroom is Spanish.
This comes after several Puerto Rican voters came to CASA to share their voting experiences. Maria del Carmen Gutierrez knows that experience all too well.
I request, someone in Spanish to assist me in the process. And they just told me that they do not have, and that really the process is in English. So if I do not know English, I cannot vote.
The Latino civil rights group says before filing the lawsuit, they tried to resolve the issues with the county with no success. They hope that by the midterm elections, they are able to provide a smooth voting process to Puerto Rican voters.
Our community will at least have access to sample ballots in Spanish so that when they go to the polls, they can understand what's on the ballot with reference to those sample ballots. And that also the county trains its poll workers and any other people who are present at the polls on election day as to what language resources voters are entitled to and can have access to.
The chief operations officer with York County provided Fox 43 with a statement saying, in part, "We look forward to defending any claims that might be made in the future and have no ability to comment further about pending litigation, much less litigation about which we have not been notified." Paula Belloso, Fox 43 News.